Tired of juggling video uploads across YouTube, Vimeo, and Wistia? Let's ditch the manual grind and automate your video uploads using Zapier. Here's how to set it up in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Zapier and click Create Zap. This is where the magic begins. We're going to connect to trigger the event that starts the automation with an action. What happens after the trigger? Let's say you want to automatically upload videos from a Google Drive folder. Search for Google Drive as your trigger app. Choose New File in Folder as your trigger event. This means every time a new video file is added to a specific folder, Zapier will trigger the next step. Now, connect Zapier to your Google Drive account. You might need to grant Zapier access permissions. Next, select the folder in your Google Drive that you want Zapier to monitor for new video uploads. This is crucial so Zapier knows where to look for your videos. Now for the action. Search for YouTube as your action app. This is where your videos will be automatically uploaded. Choose Upload Video as the action event. This tells Zapier you want to upload the video to YouTube. Connect Zapier to your YouTube account, granting necessary permissions. Time to map the data. Match the file from Google Drive to the corresponding fields in YouTube. For example, the video file name can become the YouTube video title, and you can add a default description. Most importantly, specify the video file itself from Google Drive as the source file to upload to YouTube. Want to upload to Vimeo instead? No problem. Just search for Vimeo as your action app and follow a similar process. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. If it's successful, turn your Zap on. Now, you can focus on creating amazing content, and Zapier will handle the tedious task of uploading it. Enjoy your newfound free time.